tucked away in Hiroshima, Shukkeien doesn't boast the vast acreage of Japan's more renowned gardens like Korakuen or Korakuen, but what it lacks in size, it more than makes up for in clever design.
Winding paths, miniature landscapes, and artful use of space create the illusion of a much grander expanse, inviting visitors to lose themselves in its serene beauty as if wandering through a garden twice its size.
The heart of the garden is the massive 8,000 square meter central pond, which is dotted with islands that symbolize long life. 3 for cranes and 11 for turtles.
These islands, along with the surrounding hills and valleys, are said to be a miniature representation of the Seto Inland Sea, which lies just off the coast of Hiroshima.
The warm spring day was perfect for a stroll through the garden, where seasonal flowers were in full bloom. We walked past cherry, peach, and plum trees, all bursting with vibrant color thanks to the careful work of the gardeners who maintain them.